GopherCon UK is probably one of the best tech conferences I've personally been to. I come here every year. Last year I was lucky enough to speak as well, and yeah, it's just great to catch up with the same faces, see what everybody's been up to. The content on offer is fantastic. There's so much to learn. Some really big names, people from all sorts of companies who really have a lot to offer. And actually the catering at the venue that we have here is incredible as well, so definitely something for everybody.
Yeah.
Or actually, it's my first GopherCon. Everyone is humble and everyone is welcoming. It has been a great experience so far.
There's a lot of conferences around at the moment. Obviously, you've got lots of choice, but I don't think there's any that have that kind of sense of community and that kind of sense of connection with the conference.
I feel like it's a very warm community, all collected in one place. And I guess for Go developers, there's a lot to learn as well.
It's something for everyone. The knowledge, the education, the people that you can meet. As I say, the catering at the venue is top-notch as well.
This is just, the quality of talks at GopherCon are always amazing, and I'm glad to be a part of it.